Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram an unknown network error has occurred on Android. First, I would recommend that you turn off and on your phone. And if after doing that, that still doesn't work, I would recommend that you go into Settings. Once in Settings, you're going to scroll down. But before we even do this, I would recommend that you go into Google Play Store. Better yet, search for Instagram, as you can see here. Then you want to find out if there's an update out for Instagram, as you can see, because a lot of time there will be an update out for the app, but because it isn't set on auto update, or some of the time it just doesn't automatically update, you'll need to go into Google Play Store and update it yourself. If after updating you still have the problem, I would recommend that you come into Settings, scroll down and select Apps right here. After you have selected Apps, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you're going to search for Instagram. You can see it right here. You're going to select it. Then you're going to select Storage and you want to clear cache and clear data. So you will tap on both of these. Let me go back. You're going to go into storage. And as I said, you want to clear cache and clear data. After you have done that, you're going to come out of it and you're going to tap on Force Stop right here in the bottom right hand corner. As you want, when you go back into Instagram, it automatically restarts. And if after doing that it still doesn't work, I would recommend that you turn off the phone again and turn it on. And if that still doesn't work, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on General Management right here in Settings. And you want to tap on Date and Time, as a lot of the time, if the time isn't set correctly on your device, it will affect certain apps. Then you want to tap on Automatic Date and Time right here. And that's it. I hope these steps prove helpful to you on fixing Instagram an unknown network error has occurred on Android.